Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So to this video I'm just going to flip this $30 or so into over $100. Let's say if you are able to do that, the easiest way to do that would be by trading Volatility 75 index. It's a synthetic index, and if you want to also start trading synthetic indices, see the link in the description box below for the broker that I use for synthetic indices, boom and crash Volatility 75. Also see the link in the description box below if you also want to download my trading system that I'm showing you here. I have done several videos already showing you how I use this system, so just go through the channel and you'll find the videos of how I use this system. To download the system, see the link in the description box below. The blog is called PSL Log News. So visit that blog and you can download the system from there. So yeah, let's see what VIX 75 is going to do for us here. I'm confident on a bearish movement based on my 5-minute chart, which is on the left, and the 1-minute chart is on the right. So I basically take the trades on the 1-minute time frame, and I'm looking for the trend direction on the 5-minute time frame that's on the left, the black chart. That's the guide, and then I take the trades on the white chart. So that's basically my setup, and again I've done several videos on this. So yeah, let's see how much we can make, and hopefully you can see how easy it is to make money trading synthetic indices. How are you trading synthetic indices? Leave your thoughts and comments in the section below. Let's watch the video.
hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway, die.